Hello, and welcome to our video on vegetarian recipes for weight loss. Did you know a vegetarian diet can help you effectively achieve your weight loss goals? Yes, you heard it right. A plant-based diet can offer numerous health benefits, including weight loss, lower risk of heart disease, and improved digestion. In this video, we will share 10 delicious vegetarian recipes to help you shed those extra pounds while enjoying your meals. Sweet potato and black bean chili. Our first recipe is a delicious and hearty sweet potato and black bean chili. This recipe is packed with fiber and protein and is perfect for a filling dinner. Sauté some onions and garlic. Add diced sweet potatoes and black beans, and let it simmer in vegetable broth with some spices. Serve it with a side of brown rice, and you're all set. Cauliflower fried rice. Our following recipe is a healthy twist on a classic Chinese dish. Cauliflower fried rice is a low-carb and low-calorie alternative to regular fried rice. Pulse some cauliflower florets in a food processor. Sauté it with some veggies like carrots, peas, and corn, and add some soy sauce and spices for flavor. You can even add some scrambled eggs or tofu for extra protein. Lentil soup. Lentil soup is a comforting and nutritious meal perfect for chilly nights. This recipe is packed with protein, fiber following fiber and iron, making it a perfect addition to a vegetarian diet. Sauté some onions and garlic, add some diced tomatoes and lentils and let it simmer for about 30 minutes. You can also add some spinach or kale for extra nutrients. Greek salad. A Greek salad is a refreshing and healthy meal perfect for lunch or dinner. This salad is packed with veggies like cucumbers, tomatoes, and bell peppers, and topped with feta cheese and olives. You can also add some chickpeas or grilled tofu for extra protein. Chickpea and spinach curry. Our next recipe is a delicious and flavorful chickpea and spinach curry. This dish is packed with protein and fiber and is perfect for a satisfying meal. Sauté some onions, garlic, and ginger. Add chickpeas and spinach and let it simmer in coconut milk and spices. Serve it with a side of brown rice or naan bread. Zucchini noodles with avocado sauce. Zucchini noodles with avocado sauce are a healthy, low-carb alternative to regular pasta. Simply spiralize some zucchini and sauté it with some garlic and cherry tomatoes. Blend some avocado, garlic, lemon juice, and cilantro in a food processor for the avocado sauce. Add some salt and pepper for flavor, and you're all set. Quinoa salad. Quinoa salad is a nutritious and filling meal perfect for a healthy lunch. Cook some quinoa and add some veggies like cucumbers, tomatoes, and bell peppers. You can also add some feta cheese or grilled tofu for extra protein. Mix some olive oil, lemon juice, and honey for the dressing, and drizzle it over the salad. Vegetable stir-fry. A vegetable stir-fry is a quick and easy meal for busy weeknights. Stir-fry some veggies, like broccoli, carrots, and bell peppers in a wok with some sesame oil and soy sauce. You can also add some tofu or tempeh for extra protein. Eggplant parmesan. Eggplant parmesan is a classic Italian dish that's hearty and delicious. Slice some eggplants and bake them in the oven until crispy. Layer them in a casserole dish with tomato sauce and mozzarella cheese, and bake until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Serve it with a side of whole wheat pasta. Avocado toast. Our last recipe is a simple yet satisfying avocado toast. Toast whole wheat bread with mashed avocado, sliced tomatoes, and a sprinkle of sea salt and pepper. You can also add some poached eggs or grilled tofu for extra protein. And there you have it, 10 delicious vegetarian recipes for weight loss. Whether you're a vegetarian or simply looking for meat-free alternatives, our recipes are easy to make, nutritious, and flavorful. We hope you enjoyed this video and found some inspiration for your next meal. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes and tips. Thanks for watching.